On today's last stage of the Tour de Rwanda, the Astana team achieved a great performance with a double victory for Colombian Rodrigo Contreras and Marhawe Kudus. After nearly losing everything yesterday due to a crash before the finish, the Eritrean has restored the situation with flying colors. It was his team Astana who took control, from the first kilometers by managing the peloton to avoid any dangerous escape. Marhawe Kudus had 3 riders to watch, which were between 7 and 31 seconds in the overall classification this morning before the last stage. Ryan Tareme, Matteo Badilati and Hernan Akir. It showed the importance of teamwork in the sport when one of his teammates, the Colombian cyclist Rodrigo Contreras, attacked 30 kilometers from the finish. With such a strong rider of his team ahead, Marhawe Kudus had the security to be protected in the final in case the peloton would come back on him. It also forced other teams to work even harder to try to catch the yellow jersey. But Marhawe Kudus would not let them direct the stage. He was less nervous than last days and could control the situation more easily. He was regular at first positions of the peloton, always reassured by the presence of Rodrigo Contreras ahead in the breakaway, who was on his way to the stage victory. Marhawe Kudus had only to stay cautious through the last climb on the Kigali wall to avoid being attacked by his 3 rivals in the overall classification. Nobody could surprise him till the finish line, and he even won the sprint for the peloton at 1 minute 6 behind today's winner Rodrigo Contreras. At 25, Marhawe Kudus won this week the first stage race of his career with his new team Astana. Rodrigo Contreras drove the 61.7 kilometers of the final stage of the Tour de Rwanda in 1 hour, 33 minutes and 10 seconds. The peloton led by Marhawe Kudus arrived 1 minute and 6 seconds later. Rein Temera 1 minute and 9 behind today's winner.
Not only win the stage, also win the race because with 4 riders it's difficult control all days, and now happy.
This leaves Marhawe Kudus from Astana as the winner on the general classification for the Tour de Rwanda 2019. A second place for Rein Temera from Direct Energy will reduce the gap to 10 seconds, and Matteo Badilati as third with 18 seconds difference.
Yeah, you know, when the race is harder and harder, it's good for us because the race today was short and hard. After yesterday mistakes today, we play really carefully, so we are happy.